Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and awesome videos from our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we're going to be seeing about sober blouse designs. Today we're going to be talking about what are the sleeve designs to go on with your sober blouse and what are the amazing colors to include your sober blouses. So without asking a minute, let's get back into this awesome video. But before we do so, remember to like to our channel and also remember to subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump back into this amazing video. So friends, talking about the color sleeves for your sober blouse, you can always try going on with the contrast color of your saree for any kinds of your blouse. You can try going on with the bright color or the contrast light color too. So friends, talking about what are the amazing and the beautiful sleeve designs to implement your sober blouses, you can try going on with sleeveless, ankle knee, under elbow, cold shoulder, half shoulder, as these give such a great look and they also give you an elegant look to your sober blouse. You can try going on with designs of flower-based floral designs, peacock and elephant designs. Or you can even try going on with Ari and Magam if it's a traditional Banarasi or a silk blouse. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If so, remember to like to our channel and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So you can purchase similar types of these amazing and beautiful sober blouses by clicking the link below in the description box. Friends, you can purchase these in Amazon and they are absolutely beautiful. Feel free to comment too. So bye friends.